Shout out Mal. Thanks for the gas money.
Thank you. Oh, okay. Now here's one. This is another really good subreddit. Win stupid prizes. It's called Win Stupid Prizes. So I'm sure, Will, you can guess what might take place here. Oh, by the way, there were other conspiracies about testosterone and how using plastics has diminished the amount of testosterone in males during puberty, and that maybe people actually were maturing differently or are maturing differently now. Anyway, that's enough of all that. Go read the thread if you're curious about all the different interpretations as to whether or not this is possible. Win Stupid Prizes. This is a sub dedicated to GIFs and videos of people playing stupid games and then winning stupid prizes. You can go ahead and play this one. The title is Playing with Fire. You have a snare drum. They pour something flammable on it. And it doesn't go well, obviously. Geez. So I think they wanted the snare drum to be on fire as they were playing, but it had this flammable whatever, whether it's like, what is it? It's not gasoline. It looks just like alcohol, but it's very flammable, whatever it is. High-grade alcohol of some kind. But the guy who goes to light it, you can see the spray coming up on his sleeve. Because they don't stop drumming when he pours it on. So he pours, and look at the spray. It's hitting him. It's hitting the guy's hand. So when you light it, you're going down. And these guys go up in flames completely.
Yeah. Man.
So definitely a stupid game to play with the flames. And that would be you would have a lasting effect from that thing right there.
Some damage.
You gotta be careful when you play. Everybody knows this. Don't play with fire. Everybody has a story. Do you have a story from your childhood where somebody played with fire and it didn't work out?
Yeah, fireworks, I guess.
Everybody has a story, man.
Mm-hmm.
Flames don't get along. Nobody gets along with flames.
Oh, yeah.